Hi, my name is Rajkumar Raghuvanshi and I am from Enterprise DB Corporation. In this demo, I would like to show everyone a small but an important feature implemented in Enterprise Postgres Advanced Server 9.6. This is called EDB filter log. What usually happens whenever we get any error, it's stored in the log file. But what if I don't want any one or two error to get stored? For example, if you have a scenario where you write up logic or a procedure which will not fail on a particular error because you are fine with that error, and you are processing millions of record, and every time you are getting those error, it is unnecessarily getting stored in the log file and increasing its size. There is an existing provision of log min messages parameter which you can set to avoid all the errors going into the log file. But here in this case I want all other error except one or two in my log file. So this thing you can do by using EDB filter log parameter. So I will show you how we can do this. I have installed EPS 9.6 on my machine and we have a data file and a log file. Let me show you the log file. So my log file is having server startup related information only. Okay, I will connect to EPS. We'll try to create a table for demo purpose. I will add some constraint to it. So when we insert data which will not satisfy these constraints, it will get failed. Let me insert some data also. One more record. Okay, so now I have a test table with some constraint and this table have some data. Now what will happen if I will insert the same record again? It will fail because of unique constraint error. We'll see what happened to the log file. So my log file is having same error again and again. Now I am fine with the unique constraint error and I don't want this error in my log file. So how we can do this? So first thing you need to do is to change the Postgres conf file. Here is a parameter called shared preload library. This parameter you need to append with libdir slash edb filter log. Need to save it. Since we changed the conf file, we need to restart the server. So server is restarted. We'll see what happened to the log file. So my log file is having new server started related information. Now I will connect to PSQL. Next thing you need to do is you need to set edb filter log dot error code parameter to the code which is related to unique constraint. The error code you can get by Enterprise DB documentation, or you can search in the Google for Enterprise DB related documentation. So here if you go to the PostgreSQL error codes, you will get list of all errors and corresponding error code. What I want unique constraint related error code, that is 23505. So I will write 23505. So we have set EDB filter log error code to 23505. Now if I will try to insert the same value, I am getting error here. If I will try for another value, then also getting error. Okay, let me try for some different error. So I have not null error. So I have lot of unique constraint error and not null error. We'll see what happened to the log file. So if you see, my log file is having only not null related error, not the unique constraint, because we have stopped. This is how you can stop an error to getting inserted in the log file. We'll see how we can stop multiple errors at the same time. It's very simple. You need to set EDB filter log error code to the all the error separated by comma. So 23505 is for unique constraint and 23502 is for not null. So I have set with the two error. So we'll try to insert or recreate error again. Okay, I will try for unique constraint first. So we can get differentiate in the log file and lot of not null. Also we'll try to insert some another error. Okay, we'll see what happened to the log file. So my log file is having only different error other than unique constraint and not null. These are all previous one. So we have stopped more than one error. So this is how you can stop multiple error getting stored in the log file, whichever you are fine with or you don't want to keep track of it. Now if you want to reset this parameter, you just need to do a reset EDB filter error code, and those error again started getting loading in the log file. So this is how you can use EDB filter log to minimize your log file size by avoiding unwanted error information getting stored. This feature is very useful when you have some known error and you don't want to keep record of those. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.